Good day to all. This is Amrithalingam Madhu. Today's topic is one of my Vastu client experience sharing and Vastu for southwest corner plot. Before move on to the topic, let's see quote for the day. Do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways. Let's move on to the topic. One of my Vastu client called me two days ago. They are constructing house. Now they put a roof concrete for first floor. The plot is a southwest corner plot. There is a road at south side as well as west side. Southwest corner plot is a inauspicious plot. During the construction itself, they are facing a lot of issues. Almost 1 year back they have started this construction. Construction is not going smoothly. You can easily understand in case there is a delay in the construction, of course there will be some Vastu defects in their plot. This plot as a inauspicious plot, never ever buy a southwest corner plot or house. So what are all the issues may come? Southwest houses has a bearing on the head of the family, is elder male issues and also financial issues, labor issues. So these kind of problem may come in the southwest corner plot. Why southwest is the most important? Because southwest should not be open. In case there is a road at south side and west side, that plot considered as a southwest open. And also there is a bad street focus will be there in the southwest corner plot. What are all the issues may come in the southwest corner plot? One is financial issues, second health issues, third social reputation issues, fourth accident or serious illness, fifth bad habits, seventh relationship issues. So these kind of problem may come in the southwest corner plot. So before selecting the plot, it is a very important what kind of plot you are going to purchase. That is very important. Constructing a house as per Vastu and selecting the plot, both are very crucial part in the Vastu Shastra. Never ever buy a southwest corner plot. That will damage your reputation and lifestyle. What are all the other Vastu defects considered as the in the southwest corner? Point number 1, toilet in the southwest. Point number 2, kitchen in the southwest. Point number 3, puja room in the southwest. Point number 4, cut in the southwest direction. Point number 5, extension in the southwest. Point number 6, internal staircase at southwest. Point number 7, borewell in the southwest. Point number 8, septic tank in the southwest. Point number 9, main entrance or main gate in the southwest. Point number 10, T-junction in the southwest corner. These are all Vastu defects in the southwest corner. So hence southwest should be carefully handled in house. So before buying the plot itself, you should take a Vastu consultation from Vastu experts, so that you can avoid such issues. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.